Hi everyone, Frankie here. So I've been working very hard in the lab for the past few days and it's way too hot in here to be wearing a lab coat, but I've got a big box of fireworks to show for it. And I'm going to be lighting it all off later today. So I've got a few different color combustion mixtures, potassium, chlorate, and sugar, basically doped with a metal ion to change the color. A kilogram of red iron oxide thermite, 2.5 kilograms of black iron oxide thermite, a few smoke bombs, some spark fountains, firecrackers, magnesium flashes, and one large firecracker. So, can't wait to test this all later today. I'll make sure I get it on video. See you then. Alright, 1 kilogram red iron oxide thermite in 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's get out of here. See that right there? That is molten iron. Now once this cools off, I'll be able to pull the iron metal right out of it. Nice and hot. I can feel the heat standing right here. You feel the heat?
Got marshmallows?
Yeah, let's get some marshmallows, guys. Alright, potassium, nitrate, and sugar smoke bomb in 3, 2, 1. It's not dynamite, it's a smoke bomb. Takes a moment for the fuse to reach the mixture. Alright, we've got ignition. There we go. There's the ignition. Let's move this a little closer. Boom!
Goddamn neighbors. Goddamn.
Up, wind's shifting.
It'll be better story. Alright, Frank, you need something else, man.
It's coming.
You got like green stuff?
Well, coloring the smoke is a lot more difficult since you have to deal with organic dyes that...
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, it's a very difficult to get the temperature just right for it to evaporate but not burn.
Right, use the flash.
The flash ones work best at night, so I think I want to wait until dark to do that.
Bells will like it.
Frankie, do you have another thing of Thermite?
Yes, I have 2.5 kilograms of a more effective thermite than that.
Do you have? Oh, do the fountain ones.
I gotta wait for night to do the fountain ones.
Oh, right. So, are you gonna wait to do the rest until dark, or like what?
I'm gonna do like the flashbangs and the fountains and that kind of stuff. I'm gonna do at night, but the firecrackers daytime. Firecrackers and smoke bombs.
Okay. Are you gonna edit the sound out of this or something?
No.
Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Should do a time lapse maybe.
Yeah, I might do a time lapse of this one.
Yeah. She definitely usually said Halloween.
Yeah, I did last year.
Still hot?
You can walk through the smoke, just don't touch the tube. Do not touch the tube.
I'm gonna feel hot.
Do not touch the tube. Keep your hand away from the tube, it is very hot.
It doesn't feel that hot, like reading.
Keep your hand away
Oh my god, it's still really high.
Still feel the heat. You can feel something.
Oh yeah, I still feel it. That's a lot hotter.
Right now,
How are you gonna get that
it
up?
smells and reminds me of Brett Marshall.
Alright, smoke bomb's done. Industrial flash powder, firecracker in 3, 2, 1.
You got a gas?
It's not igniting.
Maybe you got.
Alright, industrial flash powder, firecracker in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna get another one.
You gonna hold that?
I've got it. Here's another one. Another one.
Some people are watching it, but other people are talking. I don't think they heard you.
What it looks like?
A bit better. I just didn't add enough iron to this batch. Yeah, I can do that one.
Do you think it's because they're getting a bit wet?
Maybe.
Do you have any of the magnesium ones that are like super bright? Or you
Oh,
wait? Are you waiting
the
with those?
flashbangs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got those.
Okay.
Well,
Alright, perhaps I didn't add enough iron to that batch of iron sparks, but I've got aluminum sparks still, so boom, start counting. 3, 2, 1.
Is this one different?
Yeah, this one's a bit more powerful. That was the nozzle.
Yeah, that's really cool. It's probably my favorite one, that and the Thermite.
All right, not bad at all.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, titanium's my favorite, definitely. Guys, please stay back from the fountain.
Oh well. That one's really good.
Yeah, that's gold.
That was a really good one.
All right, all of this is pure iron metal taken from the slag of the thermite. Now, if you take a magnet to this, it'll stick right to the magnet.
That's so cool. Can I have a piece of that?
Here's a cleaner piece. Yeah,
Oh, that one looks like a perfect sphere.
you can have that one.
That one's huge.
Yeah, since the iron is more dense than the aluminum oxide, it sinks to the bottom of the slag.
Is this
So if
bad
you
for
flip
my
the slag
skin?
over,
Oh, sorry.
That's a cool one.
yeah. Now this is just from the red iron oxide thermite. The black iron oxide thermite will produce even more iron. 2.5 kilograms black iron oxide thermite in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get out of here.
Oh, I can feel it from here.
See the liquid iron there? No. Just makes a lot of molten metal really fast. Griffin! It's thermite, actually.
I need a fire.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for this to burn off. After the reaction, here's the slag. I'm not sure how well you can see it with the camera, but it is red hot molten iron and aluminum. Red hot. Woo! All right, green flashbang. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay, yeah.
Woo! That's bright. All right, zinc sulfur. Well, I kind of made my own. There, I like that. It's good.
All right, son, be safe. Son, that was lasting a long time.
Do you have smoke on it?
Yes, I do.
Frank, can you make that thing?
Yep, I made that. That was a titanium spark. All right, lightning iron spark. These last few didn't work too well, so I'm not sure how well this one will.
Pretty good.
Frank, they're trying to get your attention. Frankie,
Yeah?
John needs his lighter back.
Oh, okay.
Do you need one?
I'll bring it back if you need it.
Okay, yeah, I do need it.
I have a cigarette lighter.
Oh, thanks. That'll work. Yeah, this works.
Just make sure you give it back. I have it because I have a whole couple bag of fireworks. Mine are illegal though. Yep.
Alright, so the rest of that's just the gunpowder burning off. How I make this is I mix gunpowder with iron
Look, he's doing
filings.
something in the water.
There it goes. Yep.
When are you going to be able to make the big ones?
Oh, once I have a few more years of experience doing this,
Are you going to be like a professional fireworks maker?
on my part-time, I plan on becoming a chemistry professor because I love teaching through chemistry experiments like this.
That is a lot of smoke.
I know. Came from the smoke bomb.
I think that's more than the
Yeah. Yeah.
Just because it's higher.
Alright, white flash. 3, 2, 1.
Not me.
Alright, red flash. 3, 2, 1.
Where's his belly button? Well, now he's moving.
What is this? Guys, you're gonna find out what this is.
No, that's a border, Tom.
Alright, yellow flash going out.
That's what Griffin has. That's mine. That's the Mexican beer.
Woo!
You're a fucking idiot. Brian, do you have your phone on you? Yeah. Shine your light down here real quick. I don't have my phone. Wait, yeah. Ah! 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 Where's John? I landed right on that rock.
Hey, buddy, watch the length. That's so bright.
Hey, buddy pal, that was pretty stupid, man.
Ah, no. Hey, Griffin!
Hey!
Yo, Griffin, you know who this is?
Frank, I'm gonna go now. That was pretty cool.
All right. Ah. Watch out, watch out, watch out. What's up? Griffin!
All right, bye, Frank.
Let's go, yo, come on.
Yeah!
Griffin, my
I can though.
Hey, I swear to God, I'll whoop your ass.
Hey, let me get some.
I swear to God.
Here, let me get one.
It's in your fingers. It feels funny.
I played baseball.
No. It doesn't even work. How do you use it? Okay, get it away from me. How do you use it? She has a popper. Don't let her like those. She has a popper. One of those. I don't know what they do.
Hey, yo, Frankie, why is it green?
Yeah, don't do it.
It's barium ions. It's barium metal to turn that green.
What's it do? Is it just a metal?
Stop. You don't need that. You want that.
Griffin, throw it.
I thought you said why. Don't speak to me like that. Well, I will not like it. Got me? If you want or anything, that's why.
George is gonna suck on his dick!
Thank you. How about you? Listen.
All right, large flash powder charge. You guys might want to cover your ears. That was loud.